found you? You guys are the dogs selling stolen churro snack.
Huh, screw you. I don't know anything.
Witness testimonies and security camera footage are the evidence.
Is that so? What are you going to do about it, then?
Should we give this cute little kitty a beating?
Oh, street performers? What happened? Can we help with anything?
Hey, is something bothering you?
We just happened to pass by while drinking in the afternoon. Are you okay?
Wow. Assembly.
Hey dogs. Can you see us?
Thank you, everyone. But that's the prey my vice captain found. Vice captain, let's have a one-on-one.
Roger, Captain.
Damn.
I'll retreat today.
Can dogs fly in the sky?
Thank you very much. They left with their tails between their legs.
Don't be stupid. Follow them and find their hideout properly. Let's raid it.
No way. I was all set to fight.